All right, another month, another hotel room tour. Hello, guys. How are you all doing? I'm Jagosheni. So glad to film, glad to be filming another video again. And I just feel like my channel has suddenly become all about room tours because this year I have literally been living out of my suitcase most of the time rather than being in a stable place. And I mean, it's been stressful, but it's been fun. So I just checked into a hotel in London, and I'm also going for a trip um, to a very nice sunny beach. So what I thought I'm going to do, oh, my skin is anyway. So what I thought I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick tour of my hotel room, and I'm going to show you what I have packed for this week-long trip to the seaside. I have literally packed just one, two, three, four, five makeup products, and that's it. And it's going to serve me really well, I think. So I'm going to show you that as well. So let's get started. How I missed saying let's get started. So this is the mirror, and I'm going to start with the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So yeah, I have like nothing much to show here. And this is how the room looks when you enter it. Do you recognize my bag yet? Like, this is literally the bag that I carry everywhere. That one. And since it's a short trip, this is the only luggage that I'm carrying. You will get to see the makeup in a bit. That's the bed. It's nighttime. That's me again. And yeah, it's a nice small room. I love it. And now I'm going to show you what I packed. Okay, now to about the 5 products that I packed for almost a 10-day trip. It's actually more than a week. So I'll start with one base product. Obviously I am carrying a sunscreen, which I'm not mentioning here because it's more about skincare, and I'm going to talk about makeup. I'm so excited. I miss talking about these little things in my channel, and just doing a video. I feel so glad that I found the energy to do it again. So the base product that I'm carrying is the Dior Forever Skin Glow. I have a detailed review of this on my channel. I'm going to link that down below. So the shade is 3N. So it's a 24-hour lasting foundation. The reason I'm carrying this is because I love how it suits my skin. But then again, makeup, skincare, it's all so subjective. What suits me definitely might not suit you, but you might want to check that review to kind of, determine if it can suit you or not. What I love about this is that it has SPF 35. So if I am going to a sunnier place, which is not cold England, but then it helps. But even if your makeup has like SPF, don't skip sunscreen. I'm carrying a mascara. I'm carrying the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. This used to be my favorite budget mascara. Actually, back in the day, it did not feel like it was a budget mascara. It was around 7 quid, 7.5 quid, and it felt like a lot, but it was worth it. But now there are mascaras that literally cost between 20 quid to 25 quid. And this seems like a budget one because of that. Again, I love this. It gives a very beautiful natural finish. I absolutely love it. And this is the extra black one. I'm carrying 2 lipsticks. One is a nude and the other is a dark red. I think, I'm gravitating more towards dark reds now that we are I'm gravitating more towards dark reds now that we are approaching fall, and I'm doing a nude, and I'm also carrying a nude lipstick as well. So the nude lipstick I'm carrying is MAC Creme in Your Coffee. I don't know if you can see. It's just such a beautiful color, my god. I mean, I have my top 5 favorite MAC lipsticks, which I filmed, and I remembered that was my first film that I shot with artificial lights, and I was so proud of it. I had colored hair back then. I had a very basic camera, and I was just so proud of that video. It took me like forever to film, and there I had mentioned basically, and I looked like a kid, but anyway, so there I had mentioned that Creme in Your Coffee is such an underrated nude shade from MAC. There's a longer version of that video on my channel. I used to be obsessed with MAC lipsticks back in the day, and the shorter version. You can check out either of them. I have a top 5 nude lipsticks from MAC and my top 5 favorites. The red that I'm carrying is from Chanel. It's the number 83 shade from their lip lacquer collection. And I think a great thing to do if you want to travel light and want to pack light is to carry an all-purpose palette. For that, I'm carrying this palette by number 7, and I'm going to show you, and you're going to be shocked by how beautiful this is. I'm going to just can you see this? It's just so beautiful. So it has these 6 eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. I love using the below right golden shimmery one as my highlighter. I love the rusty shade, and I love this. So this palette basically sums up as a blush on palette, an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette, and that's all I'm carrying. I'm not carrying any brushes. I'm just going to use my finger, and you wouldn't believe the number of looks that you can create with just these 5 products: a multi-purpose palette, a mascara, 2 lipsticks, 1 nude, 1 red. If you're not doing red, just a berry shade, a pink shade, and a nice base product on top of your skincare, and you're all set. And I just wanted to say how glad I am to see you guys, Thank you for watching if you are still watching. So please subscribe, hit the like button. Let me know if you missed me, because I did miss you. And I'll see you sooner than the last time, I promise. Bye.